Two leading home security systems, one big question. Which one keeps you safer and smarter in 2025? On the left, SimpliSafe, DIY security made easy and affordable. On the right, Vivint, premium security packed with smart home power. Let's skip the marketing and get into the features that actually matter. We'll break it down by the key categories. Each one gets its score so you know exactly who leads where. The winner might just surprise you. All right, to keep this super organized, and so you don't tune out and just go scroll TikTok, here's our map. We're checking out price and contracts, installation, smart home features, app experience, monitoring and response, equipment and flexibility, and contracts and ownership. Yep, all the angles that actually matter when you're decking out your space. Okay, first up, price and contracts. So SimpliSafe keeps things really budget-friendly. Starter kits are around $250. Monthly monitoring hits that sweet spot of $19.99 to kind of $22. And you're not locked into any contract. Like, you could bail next month. No drama. The flip side, not as many high-end extras packed in by default. Now, Vivint, it's another story. You've got financing options, so it seems flexible at first, but prices are, steeper both upfront and month to month. And here's the big thing, multi-year contracts. We're talking 3 to 5 years, so you're kind of married to them whether you like it or not. Honestly, for most folks hunting value and freedom, SimpliSafe wins this round. Now, let's talk installation. SimpliSafe is totally DIY. Seriously, most people install it themselves in under 30 minutes. Renters love it because you can just pack it up and take it with you. No fuss, no tools beyond a screwdriver maybe. But heads up, there's no pro install if you're one of those I don't even own a drill people. Vivint, though, flips the table. Professional crew comes in, does everything for you, from wiring up the doorbell to making sure your outdoor cams catch every angle. It's flawless if you want zero hassle and everything dialed in. But, you guessed it, there's a fee, and it's kind of rigid for renters or folks who like to move stuff around. For flexibility, SimpliSafe takes the lead. Moving on, smart home features. SimpliSafe, to be honest, is pretty chill. It'll work with Alexa, Google, some smart locks, but if you're dreaming of full-on automation, like sensors talking to your lights and thermostat, you'll be wishing for more. Vivint is, basically a smart home powerhouse. We're talking Z-Wave, Zigbee, Nest Gear, smart thermostats, garage doors, like everything but the kitchen sink. Well, unless it's smart too. That app controls everything in your house, all in one place with custom automations built in. Downside, if you just want basic alarms, the extras can be kinda overwhelming. Still, Vivint totally steals the show here. Oh, and here's something cool you probably haven't heard. Most people can set up SimpliSafe in under half an hour, totally solo. Vivint, on the other hand, rolls out their team, and they'll even hook up those crazy locks and wired gadgets so you don't have to lift a finger. DIY world versus Pro Touch. You pick. All right, app experience. SimpliSafe's app is dead simple, super intuitive, and users honestly love it. We're seeing ratings like 4.5 stars in the Play Store, 4.8 on App Store. It's got that clean design where you don't have to ask Google, how do I set off my alarm? But, admittedly, it doesn't do a ton of automation. It's basic. Vivint's app is packed. You can stream video, talk to visitors, control lights, automations, the whole spread. Oh, and their Smart Hub throws out recommendations too. But here's the twist. The app's ratings aren't as stellar. Think more like 3.8 and 4.6. And newbies might get lost in the features at first. For ease of use and rating cred, SimpliSafe inches ahead. Next, monitoring and response. SimpliSafe hands you 24/7 Pro monitoring with the option for self-monitoring, and their Live Guard feature lets you scare off intruders with your camera mic. Pretty cool, right? But there's no video verification, and some folks say the response times can lag. Vivint is all about speed. On average, 30-second emergency response, plus visual verification that filters out false alarms. And automated deterrents like sirens and lights kick in when things get spicy. The catch? Monitoring costs more. And you can't do it yourself. It's pro only. This one? Vivint pulls ahead big time, especially if response time is your number one worry. Let's unpack equipment and flexibility. SimpliSafe gives you the basics, sensors, cameras, keypads, and you can snap on extras anytime and move it all when you move. But Don't expect advanced gear like fancy door locks or smart thermostats built right in. Vivint, honestly, feels like you stumbled into a James Bond lair. You've got sensors, 4K cameras with AI features, smart locks, thermostats, lights. The whole thing screams high-tech. But yeah, all that tech comes at a price, and it's really not portable. If you want depth and power, Vivint's the champion. Last up, contracts and ownership. SimpliSafe says, your house, your terms. No contract, just walk away whenever, and the gear you buy, it's yours, no strings attached. The downside? You don't get locked-in pricing for years, but honestly, most people want freedom anyway. Vivint, meanwhile, makes financing easy. If you don't want a lump payment, but you have to sign up for that multi-year contract, and if you bail early, yep, early termination fees. So this one's super clear. SimpliSafe snags the win for control and freedom. Let's get visual for a second. Imagine a chart with all these categories. Some are a total blowout, others are honestly neck and neck. SimpliSafe's killing it with cost, flexibility, and user-friendliness. Vivint, though, dominates smart home muscle and top-tier monitoring. Kinda depends. Are you after freedom, or do you want your home to basically run itself? Alright, so let's get real. If you're a renter, hate contracts, or just want to get safeguarded without overthinking, SimpliSafe's definitely your vibe. But if you're all in for that smart home life, want everything connected, and you're cool with signing a big contract, Vivint is the fancier, feature-crammed choice. Still with me? Awesome. If you liked this breakdown, go check out more, and really, start figuring out what matters for your own home or apartment. It's never too soon to get smart and safe. Make the call, gear up, and keep those bad vibes out of your